In this video, I will show you exactly how to jump into the chaotic fun of multiplayer in Plants vs. Zombies Garden Warfare 2. Once you spawn into the backyard battleground, your first task is to locate the multiplayer portal. This massive glowing structure is situated right between the plant and zombie bases. As you approach the portal, you will see a console that allows you to interact with the game settings. Walk up to this terminal and clear any existing menus. From here, you can select the portal settings to choose your preferred game mode. If you are looking for the most popular action, I highly recommend selecting Turf Takeover or Team Vanquish. These modes usually have the shortest queue times and provide the most classic experience. After selecting your mode, you can also choose your preferred difficulty if you are playing against bots, or simply set it to public to find real opponents online. Once your selections are made, step back and wait for the portal to activate. A swirling blue vortex will appear, signaling that the game is searching for a match. Walk directly into the light to join the lobby. Follow these simple steps and you will be capturing objectives and vanquishing rivals with your friends in no time at all.